Hi, and welcome to another episode of EMP TV. Today we're going to be showing you our wiring harness for the Polaris pulse bars, so you can plug your your LED light bars, plug and play right into your pulse bar plug on your Razor or Ranger or RS1. What we'll show you here, what comes with a kit. This also can be used as a universal kit also. What you're going to get is a factory Polaris style light switch. Has a light bar on it, you can see there, it'll light up when it's plugged in, let you know when it's on and off. And then you're going to get a solenoid. It's going to have a fuse in it here. And then if you're using your pulse plug, which you're pretty familiar with if you have a Ranger or RS1 or even a Pro XP, this will plug right into your vehicle, right underneath the dash. And then you just plug it right in here. And on the other end, it's going to come with the plugs in this end, the waterproof plugs. Now, if you're going to plug it in a light bar, your light bar, like the EMP ones, may already have a plug on it. If so, you just plug it in. Now, this one has two light plugs, so you can mount two lights. If you only have one light, just don't use the other one, that's all. Then, if you want to tap into another part that you don't have, a plug on it, and you want to make a clean look, you're not going to use this one or the other pulse bar, whichever one you're not using. Cut the wires off, tap it in there, and then you can plug and play right there, make it a nice clean look. Now, also on the other end, this is part of the universal part of it. We give you another pigtail here. Just say you don't know where you're going to hook it up, or you want to run it back to your battery or use it on a different vehicle. You can basically plug this into the power here, and then run it back as far as you want. This is just another extension to make it longer, that's all. If you don't need it, don't use it. We just put it in there in case you want it. But the main thing is the plug and play for the Polaris and the universal for the battery. Whichever one you want, you got it. This is part number 14167. Check it out on our website, extrememetalproducts.com. Thank you.